If you look at this adaptive milling operation and generate it, I will start a stopwatch also. And you can see it will generate and will take a while because it will do every region one by one. And it can take quite some time. And we know that our customers always like to have better performance and better toolpath generation performance. So this is why we worked on a multi-threading project. And as you can see, toolpath still generates. And so around 34 seconds it took to generate this operation. Now I'm going to delete this toolpath. Now we're going to generate the operation again with this new multi-threading. Right click on it, generate, and click on start. And now on the bottom you will see active threads 7 in this case, and it will generate this toolpath way faster than before. As you can see, it only took 12 seconds to generate this toolpath. So currently this won't work if you have a holder chucking turned on and also if you have bottom-up cutting turned on. It will work in the future together with bottom-up cutting, but this needs some further enhancements from our side.